हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। एंड आज जैसा कि मैंने आप सभी को बताया था कि हम लोग एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे जिसमें हम एक गेम खेलने वाले हैं और उस गेम के जरिए हम आपको सिखाएंगे कि स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग, यूज ऑफ पॉजेसिव एंड देयर का यूज कैसे करते हैं हम अपने डेली लाइफ के अंदर। ठीक है, तो आज हम एक गेम खेलने वाले हैं जिस गेम में हियर इज माय स्टूडेंट। ठीक है, इनके चेहरे पे हम अभी आंखों पे पट्टी बांधेंगे और यहाँ पे एक बॉक्स रखा हुआ है। इस बॉक्स के अंदर कुछ सामान रखा हुआ है। ठीक है, सो इनके आंखों पे पट्टी बांधने के बाद ये गेस करेंगे, ठीक है, कि इस बॉक्स के अंदर क्या है। सो ही इज माय स्टूडेंट एंड से हाय टू द ऑडियंस।
Hi everyone.
एंड इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
My name is Abdullah Hasan and I am studying in class 9 and I am a student of Mrs. Sahil.
ओके, थैंक यू। चलिए तो गेम स्टार्ट करते हैं।
आवाज पहुंच रहा है।
हाउ मेनी फिंगर्स आर देयर?
Maybe one.
ओके फाइन, आपको दिख नहीं रहा है। सो लेट्स अनकवर द बॉक्स एंड लेट हिम टू गेस द ऑब्जेक्ट्स व्हाट आर इनसाइड। राइट, चलिए सबसे पहले हाथ डालिए। व्हाट इज दिस? ये क्या है?
Maybe this is the
Guess. What is this?
this is used to read the stand.
Okay, so that is known as book stand. Book stand. इसको हम हिंदी में रेहल बोलते हैं। That is known as book stand. So it is a
book stand.
book stand. चलिए और बताइए किसका है ये? Who is this?
This is this is my book stand.
दिस इज माई बुक स्टैंड या फिर इट इज माइन। ठीक है, चलिए हमने देखा था लेसन के अंदर कि जब कोई चीज होता है तो उसको हम स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग के तौर पे बताते हैं कि इट इज अ बुक स्टैंड। अब ये किसका है ये बताने के लिए हम यूज ऑफ पॉजेसिव का यूज करते हैं। ठीक है, तो इन्होंने बोला दिस इज माई बुक स्टैंड। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे माई जो यूज हुआ वो बता रहा है कि वो इसका मालिक कौन है, उसका हकदार कौन है। ठीक है, तो दिस इज माई जो यूज हुआ ये पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव है। और दूसरी तरीके से हम इसको बोल सकते हैं इट इज माइन, ये पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन है, माइन वर्ड जो है। ठीक है, ये हमने पढ़ा था। ठीक है, चलिए कितने हैं ये आप इसके अंदर फाइंड कर सकते हैं। और भी हैं क्या बुक स्टैंड?
No,
नहीं है, इसको क्या बोलेंगे?
there is no any book stand.
देयर इज नो एनी बुक स्टैंड। अच्छा, अगर हमको बोलना हो एक बुक स्टैंड है तो कैसे बोलेंगे?
There is a book stand.
देयर इज अ बुक स्टैंड। थैंक यू। चलिए नेक्स्ट। यस, व्हाट इज दिस?
Maybe this is teas. Teas.
Okay, fine, I'll help you. That is known as strainer.
Strainer.
Strainer, right? We used to strain the tea. Okay, so that is known as strainer. और इसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
Chashni.
Yeah, you got it. Now make sentences on state of being, use of possessive and there.
This is a strainer. This is my mother's strainer.
Okay,
And
mother's.
Mother's
This is my
strainer.
mother's strainer.
And there is a strainer.
There is a strainer. Okay, thank you. Next. Guess what is it?
This is knife.
This is knife. Okay, tell me. Just feel. What is this? This area. What is this?
This area.
Yeah.
This is inclined area.
Inclined area. What is this made up of? This. What is this?
Chromium.
Okay, that is known as blade of the knife. Blade of the knife. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now tell me, made up of plastic. What is it?
It is
It is
Made of-
bed of the knife. Bed. You know what is bed? Bed of the knife.
Sata. No.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Lovely.
Find the next one.
This is pen.
This is the pen. Fine. Okay. Anything else?
And this is cap.
This is known as cap.
Mm,
And
This is known as mid upper part of the pen,
Okay.
and this is nibble.
Nib.
Yeah, this is nib,
Okay.
and this is link.
Ink.
Ink, yeah, ink.
Okay.
And this is cover part
Body,
of pen,
body.
of the pen,
Yeah.
and this is the last
Rubber grip.
rubber grip of the
Okay.
pen.
Let me tell you. First of all, give me this. This is the cap. This is the cap cover of the pen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And you said that it is nib. Okay. That is also known as nib and a tip of the pen. And at the top of the pen there is a ball who is rotate while writing. Okay. And when we open it, we find there is a tube that is known as the pipe. Okay, that is known as pipe, and under the pipe there is ink, right? We also say that it is lead because the metal of this ink is made up of lead, right? Okay, so this is pen, and there is only one pen. एक ही कलम है, क्या बोलेंगे?
There is only one pen.
One pen, and this is known as clip. हम इसको शर्ट में जब ऐसे रखते हैं तो इसको हम यूज करते हैं एज अ क्लिप. ठीक है, so this is the clip of the pen. Next, go ahead, find something else. Yeah,
This is nail cutter.
okay. Any other name of nail cutter?
Other name of nail cutter,
Yes,
I don't know.
you don't know. That is also known as nail picker. Nail picker, right? Nail cutter and
Nail picker.
nail picker. Yeah, thank you. Now go ahead.
This is sharpener.
Okay, this is sharpener, and tell me anything else about sharpener.
This is a screw.
This is a screw.
This is blade.
This is blade.
This is the first part.
कितने parts हैं इसमें?
In this sharpener,
Is this sharpener कितने
Yeah.
चीज़ हैं?
3 parts.
3 parts. Okay, तो कैसे बोलेंगे इंग्लिश?
In the sharpener there is a 3 parts.
There are
3 parts.
there are 3 parts in this sharpener. ठीक है? The number one is there is a screw, there is a blade, and there is a body made up of plastics. Right? Go ahead. Yeah, that one. What is this? What do you feel? What is this?
This is box.
This is a box. Very good. Okay. Open it. What is
Plastic.
this? This is plastic.
And this is what we call in agarbatti.
Incense sticks.
Incense stick. This is incense stick.
Incense sticks. Right? Known as agarbatti. Okay? Fine. Thank you. Next one.
This
Yeah,
is.
that one.
This
ये एक
is,
औजार है.
yeah. This
What
is the instrument.
How do we call? ये एक औजार है.
This is the instrument. Yeah. This is
No,
a.
no. This is a tool.
This is a tool.
Okay.
And we call it in the Hindi glass, and in English
You don't know?
no.
Okay. We call it pliers. Plier. Plier is known as pilas. P-L-I-E-R. Plier. Plier is
Glass.
pilas. Okay. How many pliers are there in the box?
There is only one pliers.
And who is this? Who's this plier?
Who's this? This is Asad's pliers.
Okay. This is Asas plier. Go ahead.
This is scissor.
This is scissor. Okay. How many parts of this scissor? You know. You can guess.
The 3 parts.
Which one?
First screw part, second metal part, third plastic part, which is also called grip part.
Great part. Very good. Next one.
This is a box,
Okay.
and in this box there is a toothpick.
You got it?
Yeah.
How did you know? Okay, this is the sound. Thank you. This is a toothpick जो हम कुछ खाने के बाद दांतों में अगर कुछ फंस जाता है तो हम इसे यूज करते हैं अपने टीथ को क्लीन करने के लिए. ओके, दैट इज नोन एज टूथपिक. आई कैन राइट टूथपिक.
This is keychain.
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 हाँ.
No, that is not keychain. That is not a chain. Guess any other word.
Another word. Group of keys.
That is known as key ring.
Oh.
Key ring. ठीक है? चाबी का गुच्छा. Okay. And anything else?
It has many parts.
Tell me.
First,
What are those?
First is first grip part.
Grip part.
Second connective part.
Okay.
And it is also a connective part that it connects key with the by this hole, by this metal.
Okay. And the main part?
The main part is key.
Yes, the main part is key. Okay, go ahead. How many keys are there?
2.
There are 2 keys. Yes. What is this?
There is clutcher.
What?
Clutcher.
Clutcher. Clutcher. It's
Clutcher.
clutcher. It's not clutcher, it's clutcher.
Clutcher.
Okay. Find how many teeth are there in this clutcher.
How many teeth?
Yeah, teeth. क्लचर में कितने दांत हैं जो बालों को पकड़ता है?
5. There is a 5. There are 5 parts and
5 parts? No.
5 parts. I mean, there is a 5.
There are
There are 5
teeth.
There are 5 teeth, and when we join it, it will be 10.
No, there are not 5 teeth. There are 10 teeth.
It will be when we join it. It
Yeah.
will.
Okay, go ahead. Now find
It
what
is,
is this?
It is also known as.
Show it to the audience. What is this?
Maybe it is
Where we use it?
to hang the cloth.
To hang the cloth. Very good. So you don't know the English word?
I know. I'm forgetting.
Okay. That is known as cloth peg.
It is
Okay.
a cloth peg.
चिमटा. That is known as cloth peg. ये हम यूज करते हैं कपड़े को चाप के रखने के लिए. Okay. Next one. Yeah.
It is chocolate.
It's not a chocolate.
Toffee.
Yeah, it's a toffee, right? And it is for you. Open it. ये आपके लिए गिफ्ट है. ये भी क्या है? The state of being. इसका इंग्लिश कैसे होगा? ये आपके लिए गिफ्ट है.
This is for you.
Yeah.
This is a gift.
It is a gift for you.
It is a gift for you.
It is a gift for you. Now eat it. You can eat it without looking at. कहीं कुछ और ना निकल जाए. Don't be scared. Okay, कुछ नहीं है. It's a chocolate.
Totally melted.
Okay. So ये जो टॉफी है इसको एक चीज से कवर किया गया है. What do we call it?
Plastic.
No. That is known as rapper. रैपर वो रैपर नहीं जो सॉन्ग्स गाते हैं, ठीक है?
I understand.
वो रैपर स्टार्ट होता है सिर्फ आर से. ये रैपर स्टार्ट होता है WR से, ठीक है? रैपर. ओके फाइन. गो अहेड. एंजॉय द चॉकलेट.
This is
व्हाट दिस इज?
screwdriver.
दिस इज अ स्क्रू ड्राइवर. ठीक है, इससे हम क्या करते हैं? व्हाट डू वी डू इट?
To fit the screws in the walls.
ओके गो अहेड.
It is comb.
This comb. Okay. It is a folding comb, right? You can open it. Can you guess? Yeah, it is a folding comb. Fine. Go ahead. Comb means होता है कंघी, ठीक है? और ये जो कंघी था ये फोल्ड करने वाला था. That's why we call it folding comb.
What is this?
Guess what?
This is attar.
Okay, this is not attar. In Arabic we call it itr. Okay, and in English we call it perfume.
Yeah.
Don't be confused. That is known as
Perfume.
परफ्यूम. ओके फाइन. अच्छा, ये जो परफ्यूम है किसी चीज के अंदर बंद है, इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट?
It's किसी चीज के अंदर बंद है.
आई मीन ये किसी चीज के अंदर रखा हुआ है तो उस
The
चीज को हम
perfume.
क्या बोलेंगे?
The perfume is inside the bottle.
Inside the bottle. Bottle is something like which is big. Okay.
Yeah.
It is very small. ये बहुत छोटी है तो इसको क्या बोलेंगे?
Small box.
Small bottle.
Small box.
Okay. We can call it tube. Small tube. Okay. Go ahead.
This is brush.
This is brush. Okay. Anything else related to the brush?
It has two parts.
Okay.
First, that this part is known as the brushing parts,
Okay.
and that is grip part, and it is made up of plastics. And in this part, in inner this part, there is a small pores to grip the brushes.
Okay. Now I will tell you. Okay. First of all, it is the grip part. That is not the grip part. It is the grip part. Okay. And this is the neck of the brush. That part is known as the neck of the brush. Okay. And this section, this is called as the brush bristles, right? And this is totally called toothbrush, not only brush. That is toothbrush. There are the different kinds of brush like paint brush, drawing brush, right? That is known as toothbrush. Okay, thank you. Go ahead. That is a very small thing. What is this? Show to the audience. What is this?
It is also, it is like that clipper.
Okay, it's a clip. It's a clip. Okay, it's a clip. लेकिन ये different clip है. कौन सा clip है? Guess कीजिए. Which clip is it?
Maybe it is used in the shutter to for the
Used in the
shutter for the
shutter.
shirt.
शर्ट्स कभी देखा होगा कि ईयरफोन जो हम खरीदते हैं उसके वायर में एक क्लिप लगा होता है जिसको हम यहाँ पे शर्ट में यहाँ पे लगा देते हैं, माइक के जस्ट बगल में वो होता है. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द क्लिप. ओके, गो अहेड. दिस इज द फाइनल वन.
Maybe it is nail.
ओके, वेरी गुड. दैट इज नोन एज नेल. नाखून नहीं है ये,
Oh, no.
ठीक है, बट देर आर टू मीनिंग्स ऑफ नेल. द नंबर वन इज नाखून एंड द सेकेंड वन इज काटी. सो दैट इज अ प्लास्टिक नेल. ओके, दैट इज नॉट अ आयरन नेल, दैट इज अ प्लास्टिक नेल. एंड ओके, द ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर फिनिश्ड फ्रॉम द बॉक्सेस. आई होप कि आप सभी को ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा और इस वीडियो से आपने ये सीखा होगा कि हम कैसे किसी वस्तु के बारे में बताते हैं अपने डेली लाइफ के अंदर. सो थैंक यू गाइस, बने रहिए हमारे चैनल के साथ. एंड